Hi everyone, this is a Yamaha B1B digital piano stool. It came as a flat pack with all the parts. You can see nuts, and this is spanner, and these are the washers, and these are the split washer or lock washer, call it whatever you can call it. Basically I just need to attach 4 legs to the stool top. It's quite easy, but I just didn't know the order of it. That's why I googled it, couldn't find much. That's why I'm doing this. I think the most important thing is to know the order to put these nuts and the washers. So first one is to put the washer. Yeah, I'm not that technical, so it was confusing for me. So the second one is a split washer or lock washer. You can see this one, I've never seen this before actually, but it goes right after the washer, the flat washer, okay? And the third one is a nut, and then you just need to tighten it. I don't think the spanner is that useful, so I prefer to using my hand. Yeah, it takes a while. So I think the most important thing is just to remember the order: the flat washer, lock washer, and nut. Okay, I think it's pretty easy, right? Unfortunately, I couldn't find much search result from the Google, so that's why I wanted to make this video, because I'm actually doing it while I'm videoing, so the angle sometimes is not that great, but I'll try my best. Okay, I think I probably wanted to do another leg to show you, but basically as long as you remember the order, that's very important, because I actually asked a lot of people, not a lot of people, my colleagues, but they don't really know the order. So here's the order again: the washer, split washer, this split washer, okay, you can see it got actually gap, and last is a nut. I just need to tighten it. Pretty easy, right? Okay, I think that's it. I hope this is useful for you, and enjoy my video. Thank you, bye.